Bonjour, hi. Clipping is a very powerful tool when we have longer form video that we want to slice and publish on social media or elsewhere to make it more bite-sized and easier to consume. But it's also a lot of work. So that's why I'm very happy to show with you how you could do that using AI right now. So in n8n, we just published a new template that let you use Reka API and automatically create a clipping video of your longer form video as soon as it's published on YouTube. And I want to show you in this video how you can customize it for your needs. So let's get started. So first, I will publish all the link in the description, or they will be around. But as soon as you get in this official n8n template, you just have to click here, and it's completely free to use. So you could click here, it'll pop up, and then sometime you could click a button to have it right away open your n8n instance, or sometimes it's just like this. It's a copy the template, just click the template, then you go to your n8n instance, you create a new workflow, and you just paste it. And to realign everything, we'll just use that little guy in the corner. Voila. So now you have everything. And as you note, like there's all the details that show how it works, how to create a job, and everything is there. So you could just do that just like this. Okay, so how do you get set up? First, we need to set the URL for our YouTube channel. So this is the template, and you want to change this URL. So you probably don't want that channel. That's my channel. I put one to give you an example of the URL, but you probably want like another channel. So, but how do you get that channel ID? Let me show you. So we go on YouTube. When you get on that YouTube channel, you will go here at the more. You click on this, that will pop up a little screen, and then you scroll to the end and click that share channel button, and then click copy channel ID. Now in your clipboard, you have that ID, and you could just, at the end of this, let me extend this. This is, voila, that would be easier. So at the end, you just delete and paste. Well, for me, it's the same, but for you, it will be a different one. Perfect. So now, what do we need to set up? Well, we need to get an API ID so Reka AI can work for us. But that's nice because it's free. So again, in the post-it here, the sticky notes, we have a Reka link, so you could click that. And then you can log in. Here I will log in with my Google account. And when you log in, automatically it will create a free tier account for you and provide you a key. So you just take that key, and with that free tier account, you will have plenty of tokens to clip multiple video, and those get renewed every month. Okay, how do we use that? So now we need to set it up, and there's two calls that are done that need authentication, and those are the HTTP. So create the job. So if we open this, everything is set up for you, but here mine is already set, but let's pretend it's not. You will click and you will arrive here. You will have to paste your key here. Mine is already there. And once it's done, you could also validate that in that get job status. That's also when you reach out for Reka. It should be done. It should be also there. But like when it will be present, you just have to click the one you created. Great. What else? Oh yeah, so when the video are ready, well, you will receive an email. So we need to set our emails. So let's open this one here, and you put your email. So, whoops, voila. And if you want to customize the email, you could do it here. Here I kept it very simple. Say, hey, hello, your clip is ready. You can download it here. And I put some information. You could customize it the way you want. The last thing is, if for some reason there's a glitch and the video take longer than expected, what will happen? I put a security here where after 10 loop of 10 minutes, you will get an email say, hey, you know what? that's it. We stop. So you could decide to generate another one or something like that. So for this, just put your email again here, and it's a fail safe. So it should never happen, but just in case. And depending on the length of your video and stuff like that, here I put 10 minutes, but if it's always very, very short video, maybe 5 minutes is good enough. And if it's longer video and you want to keep it at 10 minutes, maybe here instead of like having a loop maximum of 10, maybe you want to put 20 or something like that. So you could play with those two values to generate the video as fast as possible, but keep some buffer because, you know, like it's downloading, it takes time. Because when you ask a request, what will happen is the workflow will be triggered. It will then take that video from YouTube, bring it to Reka library, start analyzing, taking decision, and then like doing the video editing so it could be available and send your email. And also, let's go back to the creation because I forgot to tell you, you could customize that thing. So let's go here and we'll scroll and I will expand this one here. So here, that's where you customize the way you want your clip. So here it's a create an engaging short. So you could say the best moment, let's go for the funniest moment. You put whatever you want. You can create, it could be longer if you want. It could be, hey, just like catch all the demo, put them together. Like you could do whatever you want. You decide the length of the minimum, maximum duration of your clip. You could decide that you don't want caption, but I really like having caption or subtitle. So you could leave it at true. And right now I'm doing like a vertical video of that horizontal one. You could keep it horizontal if you want. You could change it. You could have it square. There's different pattern and all the details of those are available. Let me close this. And let's go back to the Canva in those sticky notes here where like all the possible value are just show to you so you could use it. Okay, perfect. So now we have it, so we can save it. Let's bring it full screen, voila. So now it's saved. So the thing that we want to do now is execute that workflow. And what will happen is the last video that was published on that channel will get then like, get triggered the workflow and it will loop and generate a clip. So let's do that and we'll get back to you just after. And voila, voila. I'm back. I got some tech issue while recording, but you know, that's life. When the email arrives, it will look like this. So just say, okay, it's ready to download. And now you have a title that was generated by AI and also a description generated by AI. So you could feel free to use them. And then if we want to see the video, you have the URL where you could go and that's it. That's it. That's all. It's as simple as that. You will be able to have it. So feel free to go to this place, user template, and let us know in the future what else would you like us to create template to make it easy on you. So don't forget, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share that link, share that template, and happy clipping. Bye, everybody.